In today's video, we'll be looking at the under one strategy. Now, this one is one of the riskiest markets in the region. So risky that it is actually classified as the same as matches and differs. Because, first of all, the profit you're incurring in this market is over 800%. The profit level, in fact, is over 700%. Okay, the profitability rate in this market is crazy. Okay, but as much as it comes with these high profits, it also comes with a very, very, very high risk. Okay, I told you guys in Deriv, any market that has a profit percentage of more than 100 is also followed by a very high risk. Okay, and it's up to you as a trader to know how to mitigate or manage this risk so that at least you make a profit or you come out with a profit when trading this market. Okay, as we start, guys, I want to welcome all of you to Deriv Navigator Academy, the best place to learn everything concerning Deriv. Now let us start. Now, as I've said, one is risky. Now, if you're somebody who is anxious or who fears, this market basically requires somebody who is willing to risk it all. Okay, and again, when trading under one, please only use the capital and the stake you are willing to lose, because the possibility that losses might incur is high. Okay, so if you end up losing money that you cannot afford to lose, it can be painful to you because you might end up losing money but that maybe you needed or so on. Okay, but again, if you're careful and if you trade this market properly, it can give you crazy profits. Okay, insane profit levels. Okay, yeah, so let us start. Now, in fact, let me calculate. If you use a, let me calculate here. Use a $1 stake. Right, let me do $1 times around 700%, because yeah, imagine with $1 you can get almost $7 to $8. All right, so it is insane. With $100 you can get almost $800 to $700, which again is awesome. Okay, so first things first, again, we'll be looking at the analysis tool. This is an under one analysis tool strategy video. So basically, we'll be looking at how to use the various analysis tools at our disposal to trade under one. I told you guys you can use any third-party website of your choice for the analysis tools and for the other tools they offer, but only do your trades on the official deriv.com website. Okay. Now, the site I'm using for my analysis is called dbtraders.com. It is a very nice website. It has a very simple interface that is easy for anyone to use. You are able to see the digit circles. You're able to see the digits here. You're able to see the analysis tools for over, under, matches, and differs, even odd, rise, and fall, all in one page. It is easy to navigate, so that is why I use it. I'm not affiliated with it. It is not my site. I just use it for its simplicity. You are free to use any other third-party website of your choice. There are so many right now. Okay, but what you do, have one part of your screen showing the analysis tool and the other part of your screen showing your bot. So your work will be running your bot as you're analyzing and running. Okay, so it makes your work very, very easy. Okay, and again, I told you guys, in Deriv, capital helps. The larger the capital you have, the larger the capital, the better it becomes for you. Okay, now what are the conditions you're supposed to look for when trading under one? Okay, first things first, and this is non-negotiable. 0 should be above 13%, 13.0%, and 9 should be below 8%. I know this seems like it is impossible, and it seems like it is far-fetched, but 0 should be above 13.0% and 9 should be below 8%. Okay, yeah, 8.5 to 8 and below is okay, but ensure it is weak as possible. Okay, 0 above 13, 9 below 8. Again, that also means that 0 should have the green circle and 9 should have the red circle. Okay, when it is positioned like that, you're okay, you're in a good place. Okay, that is the first condition. The second condition, ensure digit 2, digit 3, digit 4, digit 5, digit 6, and digit 7, and digit 8. Ensure all of them are below 11.5. Okay, ensure because okay, there are so many strategies to face under one. Yeah, but yeah, this one is much safer. Ensure digit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are below 11.5. Okay, and even lower. The lower they are, the better. Okay, again, one for digit 1, ensure it is below 10%. Okay, ensure digit ensure digit 1 is not below 10%. Ensure digit 1 is above 10.5. Okay, yeah, so that 0 should be above 13, at least 1 should be above 10.5, so that at least the two numbers can be so strong that the market will keep on being drawn towards our side. Okay, yeah, because and again, in fact, the reason you're saying 1 should be yeah, because again, remember, when you're trading under 1, if 1 is selected, by the way, we are at a loss. All right, we are at a loss, and yeah, I usually trade this market once in a while. All right, so it might be confusing at times, but yeah, 0 should be the number that you're supposed to focus on. In fact, it should be extremely strong. For 1, one should also be lower like the others, but for one, let us say no. In fact, it should be below 10.5, not above, sorry, below 10.5. Okay, yeah, because if one is ends up being selected, you can see how that can be bad for us. So digit 1 are below 10.5, digit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 should be below 11.5. Okay, if that is not confusing, I apologize if I've confused anyone there. Now, after that, now you have finished analyzing the digit circles. If you see all those conditions have been met, you just know you are in a good place. Okay. Now, the other thing you're supposed to look for now, let me now focus on the manual entry, because now this is a market that you can trade manually comfortably without even any stress. Okay. Yeah, this is a market that it's not a must to have a bot. You can just do it manually and push on with it. Now, when trading manually, you wait for the ticker to touch 6 numbers, any 6 numbers. I will not say here that 8, no. Ensure the ticker touches a minimum of 6 numbers and you press under. Example, the ticker can come maybe to, let's say, the ticker can come to, let's say, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 under. The ticker can go to 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and then 3 under, okay? But ensure the ticker has rotated 6 times on the numbers above 1 so that you press under, okay? Yeah, again, I repeat, if you're trading manually, ensure the ticker touches 6 numbers above 1 and immediately it touches the 6th, you press under immediately. But if you delay pressing under, don't press under if you're late. Wait for another setup, you'll be able to find it and press under. Okay? Yeah, because again, this is a market that carries a very high level of risk. So if you end up doing any mispractices anywhere, it can be costly. And please, guys, for the percentages, ensure they align properly. All right? If it is above 13, it is above 13. Okay? Yeah, because if you decide to break that, it can become bad, right? And no one wants that. Okay. Now, if you're trading manually, you just scroll here. Okay, but this is a market actually can advise people to trade with manually. Yeah, because this is a market that the profitability is so high, and yeah, you can just do it manually yourself because 1 or 2 trades you can already hit your target profit comfortably. Okay. But if you want to trade manually, it will be if you want to trade to automate the trade or to trade with a bot, basically scroll here, you select one. Most times you'll find that the over percentage is strong, and that is automatic. Okay, so what you can do is this: anytime you'll see this percentage decreasing, okay, by more than 0.2%, you go to your board, set it and run it. Okay, if you see this percentage has decreased by 0.2, like right now, you can see 200 trades have appeared. You press under, you can see anytime it decreases under, you see under. Anytime it decreases by 0.2, I want you to run your board with under 1. But if you see it has started increasing, you stop. Okay, anytime you see it has decreased by 0.2% and above, you run your bot. You can see anytime it decreases, under appears. Okay, yeah, so if you're trading with a bot, you just wait for this percentage to decrease by 0.2% and you start pressing under. Sorry, you press run. All right, yeah, but if you see now it has become stagnant or it is about to increase, you stop the bot, wait for it to decrease and continue. Okay, that is why in fact for this one I can recommend guys you do it manually. Okay, yeah, I can recommend you do it manually here. Don't use a bot. But if you want to use a bot, just do it like that. It will be very achievable. You can see anytime it decreases, an under percentage appears. Okay, and again and again, and this pattern keeps on repeating itself. And this is whereby you have now to have the digit psychology, basically to understand how these digits operate, why they behave the way they do. When you understand this, it will put you in a very good position. Okay, yeah, but that basically, guys, is how you go about under 1. As I've said, it is risk. Ensure you trade carefully when you're trading it. Please ensure you're very careful with the trades you place. Please don't just go and start placing trades haphazardly. Again, use stake that you can avoid to lose. Have capital that you can afford to lose. Use proper risk management, whereby you aim for a 20% profit, and if you hit a 20% stop loss, you leave. Again, for stake, aim between 1% to 5% of capital at stake. This will at least ensure you do not blow your account. Okay, if you have any question about this, please let me know down in the comment section and I'll be able to get back to you. For those who need bots and materials, please ensure WhatsApp me. My number is in the description. I'll be able to get back to you. And please, guys, if you have any question, once again, please ensure you comment down below or you can WhatsApp us. Okay, and please, guys, ensure you join our Telegram group. It is called DerivNavigatorAcademy official channel. Or please ensure you complete with the official channel. I'll be putting the link also in the description. Please ensure you join it. Yeah, we are trying to open a community there. We'll be moving all our WhatsApp members there, so please ensure you join there and you do not miss out. Apart from that, guys, thank you very much for being here. Keep on trading, keep on pushing, and let us meet in the next one.